This is the load procedure for the improved Celestina. You can see on the back side, this is the take-up spool. This is where the paper will go as it's playing. And what we have in here in my hand is the spool itself, and you can see there's a notch on the end, and that notch fits in this half-moon shaped hole, and the other side fits in the clip. Now, before we load the Celestina, we have to set the transmission into rewind, and you can see all of these things back here. There's a little button on the side here. You can see a little metal button, and we push that in and we pull the handle out, and when we do that, it releases this spool. Now we're ready to load the Celestina, and we line up the little half moon with the half moon slot. It's a little tricky to do it, so you've got to line it up. There it goes, and then once it's lined up, you click it into place. Now the paper goes underneath, over the tracker bar, underneath, and this little metal ring mounts on the little nail right here. And what we'll do is just give it a few turns until we see the perforations start to come. And now we're ready to play. In order to play, we have to put it into the transmission into play, and so we push this out, we push this in, and we'll turn it a little bit. Make sure that's out all the way. That button needs to be out all the way, and this needs to be pushed in. And once that's done, you can see the gear engine. Okay, now when we're ready to rewind the roll at the end, then we pull the handle out, we push the rewind button in, and we crank. As we're pulling out on this, then we crank the roll, and you can see it's rewinding, and it comes back off the spool. And then when we're done, you just unclip, pull the roll out, and you're ready to play a new roll, and that's it.